Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I went from this dark beautiful ashy blonde to my favorite trend right now, which is the Money Pieces hair color. It's just like you see in this photo here, like the little strip of blonde. So to start this off, I'm going to be taking my NAIROBI Comfort Zone and I'm applying this to the back of my lace frontal. This wig is the wig that is featured in my how to get the perfect ash blonde hair for brown skin video. This is that wig, so it's already made. I was just too lazy to do anything else, so I just colored it again. So I'm just taking my NAIROBI Comfort Zone and I'm applying it to the back of the lace. This is my favorite method of doing it. I just find that it's easy for me, someone who's lazy. So once the lace is covered in that, I am just taking 3 pieces of hair that I want to remain blonde and I'm clipping the rest back. As you can see, I have like little rubber bands on the top of it because I think I'm gonna put a little bit on the root. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, that's just how I did it. And I'm taking the NAIROBI Comfort Zone on the strips of hair as well. This is just to prevent any hair color from getting and staining the hair that I want to remain this ash blonde color. This is just the easiest method to me. You can also do this with regular black hair and just by bleaching it and wrapping it in foil. I'm gonna wrap this in foil anyway, even though there's no bleach on it, just because I know myself, and girl, I am a messy person. So I was just like, let me take this extra precaution just to make sure that it remains blonde. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and do that same process to the other remaining pieces of hair. So skip to me actually coloring the hair is very simple. I got really lazy after starting with the brush, so I ended up just dipping it in like any old cups or bowls, because I'm the type of person where I am gonna throw all this stuff away after I've colored it, because I'm not going to sit here and try to wash my color bowls. That's just me. So I'm using the Kiss Temptations colors. I think I used natural black and then dark brown, and I just mixed the two together and it gave me this color, and I'm satisfied with it. So you just want to really go in and really make sure you're saturating all of the hair, honey. All right, so moving on to coloring our actual frontal. This part is going to be a breeze because that's why we already prepped it with the NAIROBI Comfort Zone. That prevents any seepage of the color to staining your lace, because you don't want no black scalp, sis. So I did decide to go ahead and add color to the root as well. I was so indecisive about doing it, but I just went ahead and did it anyway. I thought it was really cute either way. You can do less of a root than I did. You don't have to do a root at all, but that's just like what I decided to do. And I just kind of faded it into the bottom part of it. So this is the wig. This is the shampoos and conditioner that I use. The Garnier Whole Blends Cranberry. It smells amazing. And then for the silver pieces, I did go in with a little bit of shimmer lights on those ash blonde pieces just to really reinforce that. For conditioner, I use the L'Oreal Elvive Color Protecting Conditioner. And then this is our final result. I just went ahead and blow dried her out. I normally don't blow dry my hair, but girl, I was in a rush. So this is really the final step. It was just a really cute spur of the moment thing. Really cute just to recycle one of my old wigs because I just couldn't decide what I wanted to do my hair for the week. So that was really the purpose behind this video and behind this wig, because I needed to get content out. And yeah, with that being said, I hope that y'all really enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something or you want to try something new. Please be sure to subscribe. Bye.